Here we have an iPad Pro 12.9 that came in for no touch. Touch screen does not work. First thing Big Boss tried is another screen to make sure the problem is not the screen. And we still have no touch. So we have the motherboard out and we're gonna go ahead and inspect the motherboard, specifically at the FPC connector area of the board where the screen connects. And we're gonna see if there's anything obvious there. And yes, right off the bat, we see a burn mark on this cover here. So there must be a component under that burned through this top layer here, or the top cover. This filter is responsible for touch. This filter right here is also responsible for touch, but it looks good. We're gonna test to make sure that it's good. Slight burn marks here, and these are the backlight filters, but they look good. So right now the only obvious thing that we see here is a blown touch filter right here. It's very common for this filter to go bad, this one here, but in this case this one is the one that went bad. We can always cover the FPC connector with aluminum tape. What aluminum tape does is it bounces heat away. We received a large batch of this aluminum tape. It's already posted on our website. You can purchase at NorthridgeFix.com, click on shop, and you'll see it there. And we're gonna grab the filter. Those are the 201 filters you can also find on our site. We're gonna be adding the 402, 603, 805, and all the rest. Now we're gonna grab that filter from the side, and we do not want to put any pressure on our tweezer, otherwise the component is gonna snap and fly to the 9th dimension. Just like that. Just like that. Job is done. And now we can remove this aluminum tape and look at the connector. It's intact. So the board is better than factory now. I'm gonna give it to Big Boss to reassemble and test, and I'll be back. All right, so Big Boss reassembled the tablet and touch is functional. Touch is working. That's why he sealed everything and put the clips all over. It's been on the bench for 20 minutes, so we do not need those clips anymore. By the way, we will be carrying those clips on our website very soon. We have a large order coming in. We should have it by maybe next week. It was a challenge to actually buy those and get them shipped here, because they're not cheap, and shipping is always a problem, especially when the item is heavy. We just remove them. So the tablet is functional, fully functional. We fixed the touch problem, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do something else in the next video.